Hello, friends. So if you are taking the AP test and you want to split your screen so you can have your question on one side and your workspace, like your doc or whatever, on the other side, so I'm going to show you to do that. Woohoo! So on Chromebook, which I assume many people will be on, you just have to go up to your tabs at the top, pull one off so you have a separate window, and you can do this one of two ways. You can either take it and pull it all the way to the side until you get that weird little like frosty thing, and it'll pop it up like that. Or after clicking the tab, you can hold Alt and press one of your bracket keys, left for left, right for right, and it'll split it. And then for Google, normally this will make it, it'll put your doc right in the middle so you don't have to worry about it cutting anything off. And it should be good. Now, here. For Windows, so it's pretty much the same method. You can either grab your tab, pull it, and then put it to the side, and it'll actually automatically ask you if you want to split screen. Or you can do a similar thing where you take your window, hold the Windows key, and hit either the left or right arrow, or if you want to, you can also do up or down. I'll do shift to first. Left does not like to do that automatically, so left or right. I'm professional. Don't worry about it. See, look at that. And now, for Mac. I don't have a Mac, so I can't show you, but here's what this says. You take your tab out of full screen, on your full screen button, just hold click, and it'll say tile left or tile right. You click that, it'll put it onto that side of the screen, and it should either ask to do that, or you just do it with the other menu.
Yay!
Oh.